Michał Kaligryks from Tantra Movement. I would like to express myself after the water session, what I just received. And it took me to very deep insight from the subconscious mind. When I was deep under the water, in some moment I start to feel that I'm diving deep, not only under the water, but also under my subconscious. I got feeling that now are the time to change the beliefs in my subconscious mind. First insights what I got, silence, this underwater silence, like I don't hear that all noise around. The thoughts stop, monkey mind, and that gave me the depth of going into the present moment, into here and now, and into the essence of my maybe subconscious, my conscious, my depth of my mind, and ability to change it completely, my belief systems and all patterns, all programs. So I got feeling like, yes, I can dive deep into my subconscious, and now it's the moment where I can really work, I can put new beliefs in it. And yes, one of the first belief, it was like appreciation of this silence, of this depth, that there is no noise anymore, no monkey mind, no busyness, the realization, what's all this noise about, what all this struggle about, what all this getting overwhelmed, over busy, preoccupied, not relaxed, completely not relaxed, and all the time I had to struggle. So this is the part of my life where I struggle a lot with some things happening around, and I have to find the solutions, and I'm really getting tired of it, and I really wish to have the life without struggle. And the mantra came under the water, like effortlessly. Effortlessly is the key word. So everything effortlessly. I felt like, yes, this would be my life mission, to do things effortlessly. If there is some struggle or smell in it, then maybe I feel maybe it's not worth it to push through it, and so on and so on. So maybe in some parts of my life that was very good, but in this moment I feel I like to do effortlessly, and that's amazing for me. So attractive, so good to do things effortlessly, that the things flow, and that's how it's supposed to be. For me, so obvious that I love it, I want it. And yes, I would like to get rid of this program, what I got, that I have to work very hard for everything, that I have to struggle to achieve something, to grow, and so on. No, now I choose for the things to be effortlessly, and this would like that it will become another new way of life for me. That's what I'm choosing, being in the relationship effortlessly, going through the challenges, effortlessly achieving all my dreams, effortlessly working, effortlessly making enough money for effortlessly achieving all my dreams. And then it flowed, and I thought about, I put the dream, I put the intention, Grow Rich book, and I put the intention of that till 21st of September I would like to achieve the amount of money what I felt like I would like to achieve. And recently I was feeling like, hey, maybe this 800,000 baht, maybe it's not really enough, and how about to make it a million baht? And under the water today I felt like, hey, what's nonsense? What kind of limitations I'm putting on myself? I'm calculating this amount. I do work what is so amazing, and it's needed for the humanity, and the people who receive the work from me, they know that I should get paid the money what I deserve to be paid, effortlessly and limitlessly. After this thought, I thought that actually million, for million, I'm not buying my property. The intention of a few months ago, it was to buy my property, and where we build the community and that we have secure for the end of the life, and so on and so on. And then I fall under the water. Property cost 4,800,000 baht. And I felt we would like to grow further, not only up to this property, but we would like to expand our school, get almost all Koh Phangan for Tantra movement, to be one huge community where the Tantra movement is actually everywhere. And the Tantra movement is taking over the Koh Phangan. This is my dream. This is because we would like to share that love, what the humanity needs. And then I thought we would like to grow to another countries, to another places, to have our base everywhere. And then the numbers was going like, like actually I would appreciate not just 1 million baht, like 5 million bahts. And then I felt like, no, actually 10 million baht, it's okay. But then for 10 million baht, like, yeah, I can get just one property. And we need more properties. We want to grow as much as possible. We want to have unlimited opportunities. And then I felt like, maybe 100 million baht. But then I felt like, yeah, for 100 million baht, you can just get the Serenity residence. Put a community, and it's nice place, beautiful, and the ocean and so. But it's just one place. If we like to take over Koh Phangan, milliard baht, it's not enough. So unlimited from now, unlimited. I want it here and now. From today, I want this to effortlessly manifest in my life. And that's what I'm choosing now. And I'm spreading this message to you, and I'm spreading this message everywhere to make it happen. To make it happen. And this is not just some hippie talk where you manifest your dream. This is the life, the purpose, the message to you, to universe, that we have mission to bring love as a main subject in the human education, and we need support from you, from universe, from everywhere, and we are open to receive effortlessly everything to create that mission possible as soon as possible without wasting any day. And what we are willing to give it for, it's our life, our all dedication, our time. People who know me, they know that to live my passion, to teach the teachers, to teach the conscious relationships, to teach people how to love better, I do it without money, with money, with enough or not enough. I do it passionately because I love to do it, and I like that I receive more resources effortlessly, that the spreading of that passion can be more efficient and can reach much more people, and learning how to love better will become a solution for the humanity is facing with many aspects. So thank you for your attention. Spread this message further, and let's do it effortlessly. Love is conquering all, so it's happening. Aho, thank you for your attention. Thank you for your love. Love you all.